Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have example 6.6 given in page number 102 of chapter 6, how forces affect motion. Let us understand the question which is given. The question is a sports car of mass 1500 kg. So mass of the car is given as 1500 kg is moving towards east direction. The velocity time graph is shown in figure 6.21. Here it is a velocity time graph. Now we need to calculate the force acting on the car during, the first case is during 0 second to 5 second, that is the first case. Second case during 5 second to 10 second, and the third case is during 10 second to 15 second. Let us take the first case. The first case is here. I'm just showing the graph. In the first case, here it is a velocity and time graph. For the first case from between 0 second to 5 second, I can just see that we have obtained a straight line that is inclined on the time axis, and this line is passing through the origin. This graph represents that the acceleration of the car is constant. That is, the change in velocity with respect to time, it takes place at a regular or in a uniform way. So acceleration is constant here. We need to find force. So force is given as product of mass and acceleration from Newton's second law of motion. So now we need to find acceleration. So acceleration is change in velocity, that is v minus u upon t. Now what is v here? V is final velocity. So for this, between 0 second to 5 second, the final velocity of the car is 10 meter per second. So 10 meter per second I have written. Initial velocity of the car is 0 meter per second. I have written 0. In meter per second I have taken common. Time is like 0 to 5 seconds. So 5 minus 0, 5 second. The time is 5 second. Now 10 upon 5, it is 2 meter per second square. So that is the acceleration, which is a constant part for this case. Now we have to just use the value of acceleration and mass. Mass is given as 1500 kg and acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So 1500 multiplied by 2, that is 3000 kg meter per second square. So it is 3000 Newton of force is acting on the car when the car is moving towards east direction. We have just got the value of force as 3000 Newton and the magnitude value is 3000 and the direction is also towards east direction only. Let us move to the second case. In the second case, what we see in the graph of velocity time graph is that the car is moving with constant velocity. There is no change in velocity. So the line, a straight line is there. This straight line is parallel to time axis, and this represent that velocity of the car is constant. There is no change in velocity with respect to time. So in time reference, velocity is not changing. So velocity is not changing. When there is no change in velocity, so acceleration will become 0. So I can say that when I just use the Newton's second law of motion, mass multiplied with acceleration, so acceleration is not there, only mass is happening to be there. So I will say that there is no net force acting on the sports car. No net force acts on the car. That is what we see for this case between time period of 5 second to 10 second. You can see in this graph also, here it is between 5 second to 10 second. Now for the third case, when the time interval is 10 second to 15 second, so I can see there is a dropping line, a straight line is there, but it is going little towards down graph. A straight line is there. So here I can just show here the graph. Here it is velocity time, and the graph is somewhat in this way. Here also I can just see that a straight line that is inclined on the time axis, it is shown, and I need to find out force by the product of mass and acceleration. We have uh, acceleration as change in velocity with respect to time, v minus u upon t. The final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is 10. Meter per second is taken common. Time is 15 minus 10, that is 5 second. So it is minus 10 upon 5, 5 to the 10 minus 2 meter per second square. So we have got the acceleration as minus 2 meter per second square. It represents retardation. So mass is given as 1500 kg. Acceleration we have just got as minus 2 meter per second square. So it is minus 3000 Newton of force acting on the car during the time interval of 10 second to 15 second. It represents that the magnitude value is 3000 Newton, but the direction will be towards west, that is opposite to the direction of east. So this way we solve the question. Hopefully you will able to understand about it.